Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your boy D Hayes, the DIY Monster, back with another video. And in today's video, guys, I'm going to show you, or rather unveil, the rest of my living room that you guys have already seen me working on. You can already see behind me the accent wall that I did last Saturday. And so now you're going to actually get to see the rest of this room unfold. Okay, so guys, before I get into this video, I just want to say, first of all, I just want to say thank you to everyone who subscribed and tuned in each and every week and shown their support, commented, and shared this video, the videos I've uploaded, and just have given their honest feedback and have enjoyed the content that I've been uploading. So I have to say that just to keep it real, keep it completely honest with you guys, like I almost did not upload a video today. And basically it's just been a very tough week with everything that's going on or whatever. I'm not big on letting, anyone into my personal life or anything like that. So, that is what it is. But nonetheless, I know we're all going through hard times, and I hope that, within these videos that I've been making, that they have brought you some type of laughter. I hope that you guys have also learned, definitely some DIY tips and tricks that are both budget and renter friendly. So I felt really compelled to, for those of you who have supported and tuned in every single week, to really upload a video today and stick to my guns. And if I said I'm going to upload, I'm a man of my word. So if I said I'm going to upload on a Saturday, every Saturday, then that's what I intend on doing. But again, I thank you guys for subscribing. I thank you guys for liking the videos, commenting, and just, being here with me through these last couple of DIY videos. So I appreciate you for tuning in. I really do. So as you guys already know, last weekend I actually worked on, or showed the video of me actually putting this accent wall together right behind me. So this week I'm actually going to show you guys the rest of this room unveiling. And before I get into that, I want to show you guys the actual inspiration for this actual main living space. As you heard me mention in many of my other DIY videos, you typically always start with some type of inspiration. And this is really what was the initial inspiration for my entire apartment living space. And so these pieces of artwork actually are created by an artist by the name of V. Calvento. He's a Brazilian artist, and when I saw these paintings, I fell absolutely in love with them. I came across them on iCanvasArt.com, and I'll drop some links and things like that so you guys can go check it out. But definitely check out this artist. I love, particularly the middle one, did it for me. And then the other two, I love balance, so I got the other two. But the middle one, and it's entitled Drowning, really spoke to me, and I had to have it. I had to have it. And I got them really at a good price. I think they were each maybe like $44. They had a really good sale going on, so I had to have it. All right, and so just so you can actually see before we get into the video, I'm gonna show so they're actually on canvas. Beautiful prints, beautiful prints. I love the color, very vibrant. And what I did was, as you can see, there is tape going around each of the paintings, and I did that to frame out the artwork. And it was mainly because honestly I could not afford the framed ones that I really wanted, the framed version of these. So I actually took some, as you already know, some removable wallpaper, and this is the same removable wallpaper that I used in the bathroom on the mirror as well as the cabinet of the vanity. And what I love really about adding this wallpaper, one, it's inexpensive. It was just like leftover pieces I had, so it really didn't cost me anything additional. But it also acts as a frame for the artwork and really makes it pop on that wall. It makes it now really more prominent and just stands out. All right, guys, so we are about to get into the unveiling of this living room space. And what I want you to keep in mind is, when I first moved into this place, I literally moved in with a bed and a console table with my TV and one little side table. And that was it. So I was really starting over from scratch, moving into this place, and I was able to decorate this entire apartment for roughly $2,000, which I think is good to have a fully furnished apartment. And everything in here, my home is furnished with roughly about 85 to 90% of it is all secondhand stuff I got from different thrift stores, as well as from OfferUp, which is basically an online thrift store. All right, guys, and like I said, everything is secondhand. Hopefully it doesn't look that way. That was definitely, I definitely don't want it to look like it's all pieced together. I want it to feel like it was very intentional. So guys, as you're watching the video, I just want to let you know the only items that are actually new, and this is my thing, like you can really find some great finds at the thrift store as well as, you know, on these different like secondhand shops. You can really find some really good substantial pieces. And the only items that are new in this living room is my couch and my TV in here, and then the artwork as well. That's really the only things that are brand new in this space, and the rug as well. Actually got that off of Amazon, but you'll see in a second. Again, I thank you guys for tuning in. Please go ahead and like, subscribe, and turn on that bell notification so that when I do upload a video, guys, you're always in the know. And again, I thank you for tuning in, and I will catch you at the end of this video. Peace. Alright guys, so hopefully you enjoyed that video. I absolutely love this space. It's one of my favorite spaces because I do love color. I love playing around with color and finding ways to make it feel very cohesive and mixing it around. So hopefully you got the vibe that I was going for in this space, which is very like a boutique hotel type of decor. It feels kind of artsy. A lot of stuff is kind of mixed together. I don't like matching living room sets, so you know, hopefully it doesn't feel piecey together and feel like it came from a thrift store. But yeah, so I hope you guys leave this video feeling very inspired with your own spaces and your own DIY projects. And of course, please drop me some comments. If you have any questions about anything you've seen in this video, please let me know and I will make sure to respond. And other than that, guys, I will catch you on my next DIY video of those budget and renter friendly DIY tips and tricks. All right, later. Be safe, everyone. Peace.